what's going on, everybody, man? It's me, Max Winning. Guys, it's Sunday. It was a really nice day out. It was like 70 degrees out here in Ohio. Started raining, so I ran around, did my errands. What's better to do than swap some tires out, right? So I got brand new tires on the wheels that go on the Camel Audi. Avantgarde's 19s, 19 by 9s. I want to tell you all the way around. 235 tire. Got some brand new tires, brand new meat on there. So 18 inches. We're going up to a 19. That's what the car calls for. The rotor forms are pretty nice. We're gonna be swapping these tires out today, and I'll be back to full summer mode basically. So let's do it. Okay. All right, guys. So as you guys know, you guys might not know, but people that know the car up close, I got the fenders rolled. I got them fillered out a little bit. I'm into stuff like that. So my wheels are wider than these, but not so much to clear. So I have spacers that are going on. H&Rs, I don't only buy none but the best, and I've had no issues with no spacers. I'm really into flushing my car up, making the stance right. So I'm really big into spacers, and you should be too. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Can't stress importance enough. Hub-centric rings. Make sure the wheel sits flush. These wheels are actually, they make a lot different for a lot of different cars, so might get these rings with it. If ever you guys see these, you want to put these on your car, it's very important. We do that, have no issues whatsoever. Guys, there you have it. It's all done. I'm ready to roll for the season for right now. So I went from an 18 by 8 wheel to a 19 by 9.5. So fitting the car, you know what I mean, nice and flushed up. There is no spacer in the front. Got a 10 mil in the back, something light. A little bit more of a wider, kind of a wide body kind of look, which I like. So it's all said and done, man. So we should be good. Shout out to my boys out in Jersey, man. Keep up the great work. Every Wednesdays, guys, they go live, man. They're giving out free tin. They give money away. They give free tin away. Like, I don't give stuff away. I don't know how they do it, man, but they do that. So check them out. All right, guys, till next one. Do you like them better than those wheels? You seem like you like that a lot. It seems like that's how you are.
No, I was wondering why you were taking them off.
Oh, you didn't understand why I was taking them off. Yeah, because I have other wheels.
Yeah, I like these.
That's good. Like, so you liked it.
I forgot you had these wheels. Yeah.
So overall, you liked it. The car with those wheels?
No, I like them. I like these.
But you liked them before, like you ever thought of it, right?
I like these wheels.
That's good though. He had to ask me why I took the wheels off, so that's kind of a good sign. Looked decent. So guys, let me know which wheel do you guys like better. Let's say it wasn't on this car at all. Let's not assume it. You had this wheel sitting in front of you and that wheel sitting in front of you. 19 to the 18 on this body style. They say they were all just brand new. Which one would you pick? Comment below. Let me know. What it takes, bro.
Oh, we can go whenever you're ready.
Okay, let me wait till that noise passes. Oh, my stomach hurts. I don't know why.
What'd you eat?
I had pulp.
Oh.
I know. I thought about you. Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Some shit cramping up.
What'd you get?
I got like a bull, one of those bulls.
Oh, that sounds sus.
Facts.